Refrigerator is a vital part of any home. Because we rely on them so much, we often get concerned by the noises they make. While most of these noises are perfectly normal, some require action and some do not. When the doors are opened and closed, you might hear a gurgling sound. This is part of the cooling cycle. It is caused by refrigerants flowing through the tubes in the cooling system. The compressor or fans may release a high-pitched or pulsating noise as the fridge works to optimize performance. This type of sound is normal and doesn't require any further investigation. Don't worry if you hear popping and cracking sounds. Contraction and expansion of the inside walls of the refrigerator may cause a popping or cracking noise, especially as the refrigerator cools down for the first time or defrosts. Hissing or sizzling sounds are part of the normal operation. Refrigerators may make these sounds as water drips onto the defrost heater during the defrost cycle. This could also just sound like dripping water. These are common noises that typically don't require any action. Here are some other common noises, except these ones can usually be stopped by taking action. Thumping and hammering sounds may be related to the water line and your household water pressure settings. Please refer to the Use and Care Guide to review the recommended water pressure settings. The water valve may make a buzzing or clicking noise. This can happen if you have a factory-installed ice maker or external dispenser and the water supply is not properly connected. If you have connected your water supply, please check that it was done properly and that there are no kinks in the line. If all the connections are good and you hear this sound when you try to dispense ice, your ice maker may be empty. Please refer to the Use and Care Guide to review the ice production frequency of your ice maker. If you have intentionally not connected your water supply, please refer to your Use and Care Guide to learn how to turn off your ice maker or water dispenser to avoid this noise from occurring. The sound of grinding or squeaking when opening the refrigerator door may be due to the door rubbing against another surface like a cabinet. You should check that the door was properly installed and that your refrigerator is leveled. Rattling and vibrations may occur if the refrigerator or the floor it's on is not leveled. It can also be from items placed on top of the refrigerator.
Reflecting both good taste and technology, Hitachi's original vacuum compartment extracts air out to keep food fresher for longer. Unique photocatalyst and antioxidation fresh cassette. Keep chilled meat and fish fresh and nutritious. In the AeroCare vegetable compartment, moisture is kept at optimum level. The photocatalyst and LED light helps retain nutrients. Working in unison, Hitachi's inverter compressor dual fan cooling and advanced frost recycling cooling technology improve energy savings. A flexible vacuum insulation panel provides powerful insulation for cooling efficiency. Beyond functionality and freshness, Hitachi refrigerators are the perfect blend of beauty and intelligence. Intuitive touchscreen is designed for easy usage. An intelligent work of art, authentically Japan-made. Hitachi refrigerators.
The sensor in the prime fresh compartment of Panasonic's new refrigerators ensures a steady temperature of approximately -3 degrees Celsius. This temperature quickly puts ingredients in a partially frozen state to help prevent oxidation and keep precious foods deliciously fresh. Since foods stay fresh and are easy to slice, you can prepare a delicious meal quickly. The design of the fully extending drawers makes them extremely easy to use. They extend 100% outside the refrigerator, making it easy to see and reach all of their contents. And the rails of the drawers feature special bearings developed by Panasonic that give them the capacity to handle heavy loads. Even when completely full, the vegetable and freezer compartment drawers are easy to push and pull with one hand. This refrigerator features 5 different advanced sensors. The storage sensor measures light to determine the volume of food in the refrigerator and use electricity efficiently. The refrigerator adapts to the lifestyle of the user to save electricity automatically. The door of the refrigerator glistens like polished obsidian, harmonizing beautifully with any interior. Fresh food and fresh-looking design. Enjoy delicious meals every day.
Hisense has always focused on the quality of every single detail, including noise detection, 100,000 times door opening and closing experiments, and testing for 4 consecutive days under extreme high temperatures and 5 days under low temperatures. Hisense ensures reliability. For every finished refrigerator product that you see, tools had to be designed. Process had to be created. 8 laboratory systems were used with trend-setting ideas and innovative technologies for every specific facet of the products. It's time to experience the fascination. Get your drinks icy cold within a minute. It's perfect for the whole season.
It's really great. The refrigerator has enough capacity for a whole family, and we love the My Fresh Choice feature.
Cette poignée de gâteau avance de la texture et du lait.
Let the idea move you. Innovation, the purest form of progress. Every idea we have begins with you. The way you live, the way you feel, the things you need, how you interact with the world around you. Down to the last detail, you inspire everything. In the end, innovation only matters if it does something that matters to you. That's perfection. What does perfection look like? It's a journey of innovation. From that place, through a sequence of moments, ideas, actions, emotion, resolving on that final point. And that point is special. It's something more. Inspiring. It's an epic moment. It's the best innovation ever. It's life-changing. Ideas are limitless. Nothing can stop a great idea. But unlike some of the others, this one is here to stay, leading intuitively towards success, swiping away boundaries in order to satisfy your needs. Every story you create will bring you closer to something new, something better. It's a constant flow. It is an opportunity to share something big, something remarkable, something unique. Life-enhancing efficiency. It's powerful. It's striking. It's the coolest decision of your lifetime. It's a revolution.